Now we've just got into the game reserve, Roam Game Reserve here in the Karoo. Now we have to drive 3 kilometers on this super bumpy dirt road.
We have just parked at the game reserve and now we are unloading all of our bags into a truck and we are going to get into a game viewing vehicle because to get to our lodge you actually go through the national park, so hopefully we'll be able to see some animals right away.
Like get shot by the electric fence, you're walking dangerously close to an electric fence.
I'm so excited! So we've just settled into the hotel. It is amazing. Oftentimes staying at these lodges you see animals on the grounds. There's even a little watering hole just outside a seating area outside so you can watch different animals coming. Apparently there's been a cheetah kill here, there's buffaloes, kudu, you name it.
So we're going to find a cool spot to watch the sunset somewhere out in the bush and have sundowners in the bush, which is like one of the best experiences you can have.
Yeah, pretty much at any game lodge you go to, the day you get there you'll go on a game drive, but it's more of just a go and have drinks in the bush.
There's a big white man.
So people not so long ago used to live in here. The old like original settlers lived here.
Setting, there are baboons running along the mountains. Time to enjoy a drink and then head back and we'll catch you tomorrow.
What is that? Hear that sound? What do you think it is? Black jackal. It's a black jackal.
So for the next few days we're going to go try and explore as much of the reserve as we possibly can. So the buffalo like to be down here. Zebra are often up in this region.
This morning we are going out to find the cheetahs.
So this is a conservation reserve. So they're here trying to breed cheetahs into the Karoo, and the last time they'd seen them was 150 years ago.
And what's cool about this drive is once we think we've found them or gotten near their location, we get out of the car and actually track them on foot. We've found cheetah prints.
So we've just found the cheetah. They're on top of a hill over there.
So if they do approach us for any reason, whatever you do, do not approach them and do not run. Well, it's a cheetah, there's no point in it.
Yeah, we're gonna go closer. We could get up to 10 meters close to them. This might be the last video you ever see of us.
Bye.
If they kill something and they eat, they can pack away up to like 20 kilograms.
This is pretty close. So we're here. Cheetah's right there.
stand up if they've eaten recently. It looks like they've swallowed a soccer ball, you know, like their stomachs are distended.
Welcome aboard. Oh my god, there's no way the car can get over this. We just stopped off for a chocolate macarula, which is coffee, hot chocolate, and amarula. Perfect bush snack.
So I guess people who lived in the bush got really bored and they created a game where you spit buck droppings as far as you can. So it's a competition. It's not that gross because it's mainly grass. But yeah, I'm gonna try spit now.
It is day 2 of tracking the cheetahs. We tracked them with the radar, but it was off the road. So now we are walking towards them. We're looking at bushes to see if they're underneath them. We spotted a shape underneath one of them. Could be the cheetah. So the cheetahs have started grooming and stretching, which means that sooner or later they're going to start to get up and move.
Incredibly lucky. I've done a lot of game viewing when I was growing up, but this, jumping out of the car and running after the cheetah, has to be hands down the coolest experience that I've ever had in the bush. Feeling very grateful, very lucky, so cool to be in nature like this.